Got a traffic ticket in San Antonio? This is the full walkthrough. Every step to get it dismissed and keep it off your record, using the City of San Antonio Municipal Court as our example. We'll cover your two options, who qualifies, what it costs, and exactly how to do it. San Antonio gives you two ways to dismiss a ticket. Option 1, a driving safety course. Take a 6-hour class and it's dismissed. Option 2, deferred disposition. The court holds your case, and if you meet the judge's conditions by the deadline, it's dismissed. Both keep it off your record. Most people use the course, so let's walk that path. First, the gates for the course. You need a valid Texas license and insurance in your name. You can't have taken the course in the last 12 months, and you can't hold a CDL. It's also off the table if you were going 25 or more over, 95 plus, past a stopped school bus, or were in a work zone with workers present. And you have to ask the court before your appearance date. If one of those blocks you, deferred disposition may still be an option. Step 1. You have to ask the court's permission first. Request a driving safety course through the City of San Antonio's online citation portal, or by calling or visiting the municipal court. You'll enter a no-contest plea and pay the court cost. Whatever you do, don't just pay the ticket online. Paying is a guilty plea, and it kills the dismissal. Step 2. And this trips people up. Wait for the court to approve you before you start. Until they confirm, your request can still be denied. So don't pay for a course early. Confirm your approval through the portal or with the court, and only then enroll. What about cost? San Antonio doesn't publish a flat fee. It's set by state law, and typically runs up to around $144 or about $169 in a school zone. Check your exact amount in the citation portal. The course itself is separate. Road ready. Safety is $28. Step 3. Once you're approved, take a TDLR-approved 6-hour course. Any approved course counts, online or in person, and they're all the same 6 hours by law. So pick on price and convenience. Road Ready Safety is $28 fully online with an instant certificate the moment you finish. Step 4. Send the court your proof. Submit your course certificate, and if your court asks for it, a certified Type 3A driving record from Texas DPS. One thing to nail down, confirm your exact deadline with the court. It's usually about 90 days, but San Antonio sets it case by case, so don't cut it close. One more thing, because the metro is bigger than the city. If you were stopped in Leon Valley, Alamo Heights, Converse, Windcrest, or another Bexar suburb, that city runs its own court. The Texas steps are identical. You just confirm the fee, the deadline, and how to submit with that specific court. Do those steps and the ticket's dismissed. No conviction, no insurance hit. See if you qualify and start your course at roadreadysafety.com/Texas/San Antonio.